Good morning, Chloejanesworld. I just got ready and I'm wearing this denim outfit by Tommy and Gigi. We're going to Laguna Beach today. It is a beach in LA that we're gonna go and visit our friend at his house. So we're gonna go swimming and have a nice beach day. Let's go. We are going in the car now to Laguna Beach. I think it's an hour-and-a-half drive. I forgot my computer, so I'm running back up because I want to edit in the car ride because I have a lot of time. And I forgot it, so I'm running back up really fast because we're also late. There you are. You're coming with me. I have my computer. And I really love these shorts because on the back they have stars. I love stars so much. And my shoes have stars on them. Yes. We are here at Laguna Beach. So pretty. Our friend's house is right on the beach. So it's really pretty. We're now going to do photo shoots on the beach and on different parts of Laguna. Laguna. Look at all the palm trees. Look at that house. Yeah. So you walk up those steps there, and then you go up those plants, and then you get home. It's pretty cool. Hello everyone. I'm in my Tommy Gigi clothes, and Gigi Hadid had this outfit on for her Vogue magazine shoot. So we're remaking the look. It's cold. It's cold. Oh my god, look how big this wave is. Ah! Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. We are now leaving the beach. We're going back home. And beautiful sunset right now. We're leaving tomorrow. We don't want to go. So right now we're trying to make the most of it. Hi everyone. We are in a Batmobile and this car flies, everyone's been telling me. So I'm really excited to see this.
We're getting ready for takeoff.
We're getting ready for takeoff because this car flies.
Put on the ignition.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've never been in a flying car before.
Here it goes.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna fly.
Ready?
Wow! We are in the town of Laguna Beach and we're going to get gelato ice cream. The little town, it's very cute. Oh, there's gelato. Gelato Paradiso. Ooh, this place is popping. Oh, do you smell that?
I do smell that.
What is that? Is that cookie dough? It smells like cookie dough.
That's fresh cone.
The line for this gelato. It keeps going. Okay, let's see how long this line is. Oh, keeps going. Keeps going. And this is the back of the line.
Chloe, wait here. We'll see you in about an hour. We'll come back.
A really cute chocolate shop called Rabbit and Chocolate. All chocolate. Ooh, which one should I get?
So you can taste anything you want, too.
Strawberry cheesecake.
Oh my gosh.
So
I got cookies and cream and mango.